Гей, геймерки і геймери, вітаю вас на каналі. У нас передопошнє епізод 6, і будемо його починати. Ретроспектива називається він. І хтось плаче.
I'm too old to be crying.
Fuck off.
Тобі
No, you're not.
12.
I cry all the time.
Really? When?
When I was your age, I cried for weeks when the Raiders.
Побачимо його молодим.
Yeah, that's totally the fucking same as my dad never being home.
Whoa, motherfucker. Language. And it was the same. My pops had season tickets growing up. Seats sucked, but I just liked being there with them. So, yeah, when they moved, I was crying like a little bitch too.
Are you saying I'm crying like a bitch?
Ну, я не
Yes,
був
bitch.
аномалій як
That's
батька
exactly
нам.
what I'm saying. What do you want from the store?
Цікаво, чому ми
Your
так
dad gave me
довго...
$100 and I gotta break the shit anyway.
He pays you?
To be around your crying bitch ass? Fuck yeah, he pays me. Now, come on, whatever you want. Just make it less than $20, because I'm not trying to go broke every time you get low.
Півас.
Can I get a beer?
I'm 20. I can't fucking buy beer.
You said anything. Or are you gonna let me down too?
I know you're a kid and you're sad and shit, but you fucking suck, okay? You understand what I'm saying?
I do.
Don't drink the shit in front of your dad.
Never, I swear.
No shit, kid.
Тобак
I
він
was
нам
joking.
все-таки купить.
Keep up.
Ось виразив свої здольності на усілякі речі, які не потребували.
There, bitch.
А, та
You
він
happy
так
now?
хутенько збігав за пивом.
Dang, how'd you get it?
I stole it, dumbass.
Ён нічого ніколи не виривав,
What the
тільки
fuck?
для других.
This is disgusting.
Exactly. I knew that would happen, and that's why you shouldn't drink that shit. Here, I got you your favorite.
Я не все, що його любив.
I didn't realize you two were that close. That it went back that far.
Ой, я не помер. Ну, він просто мусить вельми состарить, напевно. Він був мені як брат.
He was like a big brother to me. I didn't appreciate it enough.
I'm sorry.
Chase would only babysit nights when Dad had to deal with something big. Working late, he called it. I was fine being alone, but I'd still ask to have him watch me because I could guilt trip him into buying me shit. He never said no. I made him run a lot back then.
Right. So maybe one less store run for bitch-ass Robert and he wouldn't be stuck in here. That's what you're saying, right?
I mean, it was, but now that you put it like that.
Hey, the only person that put Chase here. Pending the investigation, Invisigal suspended. Obviously, but I think you should consider cutting her from the team. I'm not saying you should. I'm just
Сяде в
saying you
Макши.
should consider it. It's
Це може
100%
зробити все
your
тільки
call.
горше.
I'm worried something like that might just make things worse.
Yeah.
Менді
I
запомніть.
can't help but think that we've already cut a hero for far less.
We had to send a message.
That's kind of my point.
Just gets better and better.
Vending machine?
Тримай долар.
Whatever I want.
Опять.
He's so fucking proud of the man you've become. He told me that.
Ну, от ілюстрування намалювали. Ну, старий живий поки що. Зараз просто йому буде 90 на вигляд. Цікаво, як хутко ён состаляв. Потрошку ось нічого було її жмякать. І не мокре. Мікрохвильовки.
You okay, bud?
It's just. I'm just mad.
Чому?
Yeah. I'm a little mad too.
I can't. It's not fair.
Що?
Invisigal was the one who. And then Chase shouldn't have. Do you think he did the right thing? I mean,
Я думаю,
I don't-
що він...
it seems very not clear. Or unclear.
Я думаю,
I
що
think
так.
Chase knew he was the only one who could save her, and he knew the risk. So yeah, I think it was ultimately the right thing. Fuck. Case in point.
Ну, він некий злий.
Better?
Kinda. I'll clean it up.
Ну, на 5 баксов ми ж чого накупляли. Знову до праці.
Hey. You've all probably heard some version of what happened. Let's get to it. Main takeaways are that Invisigal has been suspended, so we're a person down the shift, and that Chase is in the infirmary.
Одягнувся
And he's in pretty rough shape.
у офісі, ніки такий покойчик.
Despite his disposition, he really likes you all. Just don't tell him I told you that. I've found doing something good always helps when I'm feeling bad. We're fortunate to have that opportunity. Something Chase never took for granted. So, let's get to work.
Ой, дощ іде.
Hey, we've got a fuck ton of beached whales off the coast. Could really use some help getting them back in the ocean.
Ну, хтось мусить бути вельми сильним. Тут імба. У їх зв'язочка. Ну, давай ось так. Зараз зроблять вчить, що ми тут дейді.
Thanks
Oh,
to the
пошла,
structural
пошла.
reinforcement, the damage to the resort is not as bad as it could have been.
Так, евакуювати треба. Так, треба хтось з розумом.
If we must.
Так,
I
щось
think the
будемо
rain caused
хакати.
one of those Volta Virtue cars to short out. I think this driver's lost control.
Не обіцяю, що у мене тримається. Ой, я ще час. Йо. Ага, окей. Каляга тих станцій просто безпечно. Ми не ведаємо паролю. Иди на меня, солоденький. Так, и пароль лево-право, право-лево. Лево-право, право-лево. Лево, право, право, лево. Давай, иди. Ой, є на щось. Ну, заб'є. Та-дам! Отрималася.
Upchuck's rugby team lost, and he's throwing a very toxic tantrum.
Это той, кого ми ведаємо? Ми вже ведаємо одного хлопця на першому епізоді, який був некий кислотний. Треба... Давайте. Ось гэта мы не карыстаем. Падлікаваць. І один раз за смену можна гэтым карыстацца. А мы неяк не карыстаемся. М? 100%. 91. Так, ще ровненько. Новые скиллы. Давайте еще раз у интеллект. І табе так само. Пакуль што все ідзе добра. Мы выйгралі ўсе адпачываюць. Ніяк не адбываецца злачынства.
Golem?
Ты куды? Куды ты?
Golem's shit-faced. I think he's about to piss mud on the high school.
Yeah, you know, I saw him pulling over a beer truck earlier. I did think that was weird.
Come on, buddy. Spit it out.
A lot of vomiting this shift.
Golem, I get it. I want to get shit-faced right now more than anything, but we got a job to do, and I need all of you to just hang in there until the end of the shift. After that, you can do whatever the fuck you
Ну,
want.
кожны по-своему гэта перажываем.
Can someone please go get Golem before he does more property damage?
Так, треба хтось з харизми.
If there's no one else.
Давайте вас двоїх. Мусите його забрати.
Okay, so we've got a super down here who controls bugs. Apparently they have beef with one of our farmers using pesticides. It's getting real biblical down here.
Чаму це часом відбувається? Ні, ми в гэтым не удзельнічаем. На жаль.
Gave him the best hug I could muster. I think it helped.
Давайте
Ain't the fucking
наступне.
rain. Flang's a bitch, you can't see shit. The streets turned into a goddamn
А,
slip and
ён
slide.
виходить у гэты рэжым нават,
I haven't seen it come down this
нават
way.
калі
I like
ми
it.
пропускаємо
Feels
ніяке задання.
right for today.
Fucking cool it, emo boy.
Ось гэта сменка, я розумію.
Hey.
Такая...
Pissed off the wrong gang, and they're holding him hostage. Listen, I know he sucks, but he writes my checks. Can you please just rescue him?
Ён лётае, канешне, хутка. У яго ўжо ёсць ліцэнзія. Всё, меня больше ніхто не умее лётаць.
Hi, just calling to confirm one of your Z Team heroes for our interview this afternoon to discuss the Phoenix program.
Так,
Hello?
призма праца для тебя.
Is this thing working?
Oh shit. Sorry.
Training helps me keep my mind off of things. I really think it can help the team too.
Of course.
Давай. Тренінг, звичайно, вельми хутко. То ли мы стали лепш, то ли некие задания больше простые нам трапляются.
I'm running late to the airport. If I miss that flight, I'm fucking toast.
Ой, анимая є.
Red Ring's coordinating strikes across Torrance. Looks like they're
Він
heading for
ще
Fort Banks.
відпочиває хутко. Давай, ти можеш її просто донести, долететь. Ну просто такая вузенькая, у меня есть предчувание, что можно нам не пошансовать.
Okay, listen, we need to play it safe. I don't want anyone else getting hurt.
Это нема к чому виконати.
Now is our chance to get payback. For Chase.
Yeah, sure.
Ну, давай так.
Fine, I'll fucking say it.
Тут у
What if
нас
Chase
що?
dies?
If you don't shut your mouth.
Під яким кутом?
Death is the end of every story.
I, too, have been concerned about the suboptimal outcome.
Not talking about it won't
Боюсь,
make it
це
go
буде
away,
харизма.
okay? Fucking babies.
Є.
If he dies, he'll be taken care of. That I can promise.
How do you know?
I just did. Trust me.
Girl, what the fuck even are you?
Давайте вот так. Так, тут уже скончилось щось. Навчання. О, паспрабаваць яшчэ раз, это ну, як бы рерол, можна сказаць. Калі выпадкова не патрапіць у зону, магчыма, можна яшчэ раз. Ці лепш плюс 3 да комбата і плюс 3 да мабіліці. Часто нам, конечно, просто не шансуе, але не то, каб я вельмі часта ёй карыстаюсь. Ну что? Ідеально. Сама ачівку атрымалі.
This fucking rain is flooding our neighborhood. We need this water gone.
Так, а чаму некая паводка? Мне трэба, каб адпачнулі. Ну вось так. Давайте. У тебе яшчэ раз штосьці палепшылася? Ці я не заканфірмила была? Давай. Так, вяртаюцца. Ці выканалі яны? Толькі паспрабую куды-небудзь патрапіць. Вось сюды. Так, все атрымалі досвед. Цудоўна. Давайте. Зноўку цябе. Неяк вельмі хутка мы пачынаем проста фарміць досвед. Напэўна, это все-таки спецыяльна зроблена, што мы зараз большага перамагаем. Так, тут у нас што? Думаю, у нас интеллект 8. Это довольно мощно. Угу. Хапила на тоненького.
We need backup down here. There's a mass pileup and the tanker caught fire.
Хто з тих, хто хутко бігає? Ну, ось так. Доволі імбово.
Room's booked, yeah? Yeah, confirmed it this morning. We're all good. Like we don't have enough fucking problems.
Всего-то.
Так что тебе нельзя эту дослать. Ти ж вольний зараз. Ну, навіщо мені пропонувати це навчання? Мгм.
I swear.
Нарешті.
I'm not. I mean, it's not because we're. Maybe it's time to let HR know.
Нарешті у нас отрималася нормальова сесія. М? Ура, інтелекту. Давай тобі ще більше.
Okay, team. Good shift, all things considered.
Да,
See you
це
tomorrow.
лепше наше.
Hopefully with some good news.
Якби цим би мені уровень складності поменшила гульня саме. Поглядівши, як я гуляю. Як він на своїх коротеньких ножичках туди заскочив? Чому? Вони що посварилися, що відбулося? Гей, у тебе кавалок шкла торчить. Щось вони там сваряться. Чому нас не запросили?
You've got a little.
Oh.
Що
Good
відбувається?
looking out.
Hello, everyone. What's going on?
What's it look like? This dumbass kicked that dumbass out the fucking door.
А чому?
Okay, cool. Now that we got all of the details clear, why?
That's just a difference of opinion. I got heated, got in Golem's face. He had every right to punt me through the wall.
Right, it's a door, and I doubt you were actually in his face.
More like ankle, which made him easier to kick.
What the fuck is going on?
We want her out. We voted. It was nearly unanimous.
I abstained from voting as I am neither human nor reformed villain, nor particularly interested in this conversation. I only came in as I thought we were playing Magic the Gathering tonight. I am hoping we still may.
Who wants
Ну,
her to stay?
сябра, здається, що ні.
Just me. But the team is more important than any one of us, so I won't stand in the way.
You could have led with that.
I feel the same as Golem. You all let me back in when you didn't have to. But I won't make you keep someone you want gone.
We heard about the suspension bullshit. It ain't enough, Robert. Not for what she did. To put everything we've been building at risk, and for what? I like the bitch, but she gotta go.
And by go, we mean
А,
cut.
вот за
Just like you
що.
cut Sona.
Я думаю, я не голосую за
Knowing
то,
he wants
каб
to say
її
it's also her.
виратувати.
what it
Ні, ми не будемо того робити. Ну-ка, командний дух.
I probably don't say this enough, but I'm proud of all of you. How far you've come. A few months ago, you wouldn't have
been in a room like this discussing the needs of the Z
Я просто
team, and
забылася,
if you
что
did, there'd be a lot
захопники,
more than one broken
закладники
door.
так-то не захопили.
But I'm not cutting Invisigal. We don't kick people when they're down. We lift them up, and I believe of her what I believe of all of you, that her heart is in the right place. It's what took us from being a team to being this weird, fucked up family. Look, you're hurting. Okay, I get it. I'm hurting. We are all hurting. Now isn't the time to cast blame. It's the time to come together and heal.
Ось так ось він сказав. Мораль упала? Чому? Хтось інший що? Голум? Хто сошов?
Busy?
А, Яна тут була.
Sorry, I can come back.
Why? First time we met, you were in your underwear. Fitting, right? Last time you see me, that I'd be in mine? I really do appreciate you defending me, but you shouldn't. Listen to your team. They don't want me here.
Вона передумає.
Busy, they'll come around. You just gotta give them some time. No, you went in knowing the risks. What you were willing to put on the line to help me. What you didn't know was what Chase was willing to put on the line for you. And so please don't throw all of that away by walking away from this.
Ну, дзеля чаго ён гэта зрабіў?
They're right.
Калі яна зараз
I don't
сольецца
deserve
просто.
anyone's forgiveness. Anyone's help.
Яна,
anyone's
конечно, буду
love.
жыць, але яна
Because I
можа
can never
столькі
repay.
чаго добрага яшчэ зрабіць.
Nothing I do will ever make up for what I've already done to you. I'd hoped getting the astral pulse back would help, but I couldn't even do that.
Vizzy, you don't owe anyone anything, okay? Least of all me.
I was there that night.
What are you saying?
I never ran with Cruz. Always did my own thing, but my asthma was getting worse, and they had an augment that could increase my lung capacity. Only catch is I'd have to work for them, paying down for years.
Яна настолькі недавно перайшла на бок добра, што яшчэ ў гэты момант я была працавала разам з гэтымі злачынцамі.
Shroud came to me and said I could have the whole deck cleared if I was able to do one thing. Place a bomb on the back of Mecha Man undetected.
Good news, buddy. Shroud says he just wants the astral pulse, which we all know.
Ну, я сюди планю. А як бомба не бачна, калі яна з кішэні літаральна дастала? Чаму яна стала бачна толькі ў той момант, калі яна пакінула кішэнь? Ладно, опустим гэтыя дэталі.
I quit the moment I placed it. I walked out before it even blew. My augments conveniently stopped working. So I signed up for the Phoenix program the next day. Which gave me the chance to fuck your life up twice.
Ладно, ми
Well, I
її
forgive
будемо...
So there, will you fucking chill out now?
You can't fucking forgive me? You haven't even, like, processed what's going on.
You did villain shit while you were a villain. Does it change things that you directed at me? No, it doesn't. That's in the past. You're not the same person that was there that night, neither am I.
That's sweet, but all I wanted from this was for people to look at me the same way that you look at Blazer. Even if it was just once, you know? Instead, they've always seen me how you see me right now.
And what way is that?
Like I'm incapable of good.
Я литерально тут стою, потому что я верую, что ты very capable. Детёнок, Вася. Давай, прибирай. Подяюся, слава Богу. Ось що значить добрі хлопці.
Alright, well, you boys don't stay up too late.
Я не веду флаги Трекстера, так что... А, Трекстер-то и есть дедуля. Ну что, злочинці? Тут, як завсюди, некие розборки.
I mean, I hope they all die. I'm serious. Any dumbass walking into a trap that fucking stupid should have the plug pulled right now. Just pillows over faces.
Oh man, have you seen what the poison does to their faces? They get all red and puffy.
Цікаво, що зомбі, гэта Байер так само був попередній раз.
I'm sorry. It's my fault. I've been distracting you.
Get me another drink. They smashed mine.
Sure. You all right? You seem perturbed.
Я вам нічого не
I
зробив.
know what's going on. Kid probably lost someone there. That's why he's been staring at that shit all night. Get him a drink on me.
Nah, this one's on me.
No. On the house session.
Oh my.
Trackstar. That guy sucks. I was fast, but now I'm old. Get fucked.
Не рахує.
Cheers, fellas, to the fucking dream. To 5 minutes with the tightest ass in all of LA County. Can you motorboat an ass? Probably not, right?
А, тримайся.
Rebuttal. What's up? You don't like acid? What the fuck's up with this guy?
Hey, I'm great at predicting things, and I can't believe he let that go.
Okay, now I don't know what he's talking about. Freckles, you mind telling me what's going on?
Что? Гэты чел справа ёсць этот штаут.
Spectre. Blazer. Real fucking superhero. I know we're in a villain bar, but have some class, you know? If you're gonna blow some fucker's brains out, non-slip mats are a must. Need some for the hideout. Feels silly calling it a hideout.
Что это? Ну, это он.
Can you take care of him for me? Obviously, you two don't need an introduction.
I've been waiting for this.
Your dad. Chase. Your little team of turncoats. You think you can beat the bad by being good. But there's no solving human nature. You can't stop evil. All
И что?
you can do
Это
is
быть злым?
control it.
Контролировать?
This isn't working.
I thought you wanted revenge.
Так, не, я хочу тебя посадить в тюрьму, когда будет такая вариантность.
Kept it in his locker, fully loaded. 6 shots. He couldn't have predicted I'd use it to kill him. The first bullet grazed his shoulder. I hadn't adjusted to the adrenaline spike. The second hit his upper chest. The third
Провокуя
burst
меня.
his heart. He was lying on the floor, eyes full of fear, when I put the fourth through his face. Bit of a waste to put the fifth through that idiot's skull, but I wanted to make sure it worked after all these years. Your father was the last person to touch this bullet. And now,
Теперь ты забил бартендера?
there's a chance it touches you next. Your invisible girlfriend stole my astral pulse to give it to you. Where the fuck is it?
Сенсі, ти ж забрав.
Heroes are the past.
У мене нема. Я достала його з цієї валізки.
This is why I hate
Чи...
runs out.
If I had it wide, I let you string me up like a fucking piñata. She didn't get the pulse.
Що, детектор у тебе?
Show him.
Тому тоді чому я на ньому дала?
Invisibitch has the pulse. That I know. What I don't know is why she didn't give it to you. She played you too. Here I am thinking she's working with you, but she's fucking us both. She didn't take it for you. She took it for herself.
Ну, это некое выпробование нашего довіру і нашей веры у яе, конечно. Пасля гэтага мы таксама будем верыць, што яна можа быць добрай. Ты все-таки признаем, что яна не такая. О, наша дзяўчына пришла нас ратаваць. Рыхтуйте свои дупы.
The blonde blazer. I fired the bartender, but I can still get you something to drink.
No, thank you.
And to what do I owe the pleasure?
I'm here for him. In 5 minutes, this bar will be surrounded by SDN agents, heroes, and whoever else you and your ring have pissed off recently, which happens to be every gang in Los Angeles. Now, if...
Bullshit.
Not disrespect one of the last true heroes. Sorry about that. If they weren't shit, you wouldn't have cut them. You were saying...
I can see I'm outnumbered. That eventually I would fall. But by my read, I'm taking a lot of you with me. So all
Яна.
of you can leave now,
Ну,
or
крашиха.
half of you can die here.
Now that's a fucking superhero. Chills. Top notch. You made them nervous. Okay, we're out of here. Take your piss-soaked pants out the back, please. Don't want to tempt this tiger. Now's not our time, Blazer. But it's coming sooner than you
В
think.
наступному епізоді.
And by my calculations, it was closer to 32%. But half sounds better.
А нікого більш нема?
You were bluffing.
About the backup? Yeah, absolutely. About taking out half of them? I don't think I was. Don't worry. I've got you.
Ой.
He really tenderized you. Are you sure he's right about Invisigal?
Yeah. I saw the footage.
What is
Так,
her
а
play?
де Яна?
Why wouldn't she tell you if she has it?
Може, вона рихтує
Don't
подарунок?
understand what she would want it for unless she's
Я довіряю
trying to
їй.
keep you out of the suit.
Яна щось планує, давайте так.
She's planning something. Just don't know what.
I don't see the angle.
You're probably right. Just need to sit here for like a few weeks, then I'll be...
Я ж одна кома не зашкодить. Почнуть.
I don't know how you're conscious.
See, when the pain's constant, it's easier to get used to. That goes for physical and emotional. Ow. Really is nice up here. Thank you. Don't remember if I've thanked you before, but
About 50 times.
Mm-hmm.
You were muttering it the whole flight.
then I take it back.
You should know I was
Минус
going to take
один.
you to the
Дякую.
actual Hollywood sign. Not as sturdy as you.
Щось здарилось худше, чим ми думали. Эй, нет, только не лагаю в этот момент. Что там, что там? Ён пачаў нейкую атаку. На увесь город? Ну і ти не можеш нічим допомогти. Зусім ледь на ногах стоїш.
You're not leaving me here again.
Ой, навошта ёй такая буза. Амон. Ну, я не ведаю, як мы будзем перамагаць гэтага шорта ў наступным эпізодзе. Бо ён уже будзе апошнім. Ой, я... Так, мы яе прабачылі, як і большасць. Мы выбралі піва. 46% ніяк яго не абразіла. Выратавалі голама. І супраць гэтага чырвонага пярсцёнка. О, мы палепшылі свае вынікі. Цяпер мы горш, чым усяго 40, альбо лепш... Да, мы уходзім у 40, мы лепш за 60% і горш всяго ли 40. Напэўна, гэта ўсё. Дзякуй за прагляд, пабачымся ў фінальным эпізодзе.